Hi there, welcome to my channel Maths SL. I'm speaking Saqib Latif. This is November 2020 Mathematics Paper 2, question 9.2 is high demand question. A lot of learners ask me to upload this video, so this is a proportionality question. I will explain to you how to solve. The question says chord QN bisects M angle NP. So which mean this angle N1 and the angle N2 they are equal because the QN is a bisector and intersect chord MP at S. So the chord MP intersect chord QN at S. The tangent at P meets M and produced at R. So must remember the RP is a tangent and at P and MN produced at R such that QN parallel to PR let angle P1 is equal to X. So the angle P1 is equal to X and PR is a tangent at P and the MN produced to meet R. So the question says 9.2.1 determine the following angles in terms of x, give reasons. So the first angle N2, the second is angle Q2. So we need to determine these angles N2 and angle Q2. So first of all guys, this is must remember the chord QN. So this is the chord QN bisect M and P. So angle N1 and the angle N2 is going to be equal because QN bisect this angle. And this MP and the QN intersect by S. And the PR is a tangent at P and QN parallel to PR. So the QN, this one, parallel to PR. So the QN parallel to PR, you can see they say these two lines are a parallel. And now we need to find the angle N2. So the angle N2, that's easy because the QN parallel to PR. So this NP is a transversal line and angle P1 is X. So this is going to be a alternative angle. So the angle P1 is X, angle N2 also going to be X, alternative angle. And second angle we need, let me write first this one. So the angle N2 is going to be equal to X and the reason is alternative angle. Alternative angles and PR parallel to NQ. So this is my first question answer. Second is quite easy. We need to find the angle Q2 now. So this is the angle Q2. We need to find this one. Now this is a tangent at P and the NP is a chord. So this is the angle. Angle between tan and chord is forming another angle in alternative segment. So this is the chord now. So have a look here. So this chord forming another angle Q2. So it's going to be equal to X. So we're going to say tan chord theorem. Angle Q2 is equal to X tan chord theorem. 9.2.2 prove giving reasons that mn over nr is equal to ms over sq. Now, this is a proportionality theorem I'm going to apply because qn parallel to pr. So we going to use this triangle now. So this is the triangle. Have a look here. Proportionality theorem I'm going to apply here. So long base, short side. So these two lines are parallel. So I'm going to apply the proportionality theorem here. Mn over nr, I have to do exactly same thing on another side. So it's going to be a ms over sp. So prop theorem. So mn over nr is equal to ms over sp, prop theorem, pr parallel to qn. Now, must remember, according to the question, we need to prove ms over sq. So everything we have now, but the sq we need to replace with something. So now we need to think out of the box here. So the sp we need to see where the sp. So the sp is here. And now, uh, if I can prove that angle P3 also is x, then I can prove this is isosceles triangle. Have a look here. This is angle P3. Now, this angle go back touching the point M, and if you go back this side touching the point Q. So the MQ is a chord. You can see forming angle P3. So the P3, look here, chord MQ. Angle P3, the chord MQ. Now, so the MQ forming another angle, have a look here, angle L1. So the angle in the same segment. So the angle L1. But remember, so the angle L1 is equal to XY because, but remember, QN is a bisector. Is bisect M angle NP. So which means if this is N2 is X, this N1 is also X. So P3 gonna be a X. So if this is the case, both angle you can see uh, equal angles opposite side, isosceles triangle. So which means this side is going to be equal to this side, isosceles triangle. So the PS going to be equal to QS or SQ, same thing. And now if that is the case, then we can replace uh, SP with a QS. Angle L1 is equal to angle N2. The reason they are all both equal to x because it's given this one. Don't forget this one. This is given, and angle P3 is going to be equal to x, y, angle in the same segment. Angles in the same segment. So angle in the same segment. Now angle P3 is going to be equal to angle Q2, both equal to x. So therefore SQ or QS, same thing, is going to be equal to PS. Why? The reason is you can say sides opposite equal angles, or you can say equal angles opposite sides because it's a isosceles triangle. So therefore now if that's the case, if that is the case, SQ is equal to PS. So now I can SP or PS is same thing. Though I can replace uh, SP with a SQ because SP or P are same thing, is equal to SQ. So there is SP. So I can replace this one with SQ. Now, therefore, ML over LR is equal to MS over SQ. SQ. So MN over LR is equal to MS over SQ. They be proved. Please like and subscribe my channel. If you have any question, comment below. I will assist you. Have a nice day.